Taking a look at the finance page. Once you are logged into the MyCC environment, and you can see here that I'm logged in, if you click the finance link on this top navigation bar, you're going to come to the finance page, and it's going to give you 3 columns of information. I'm going to go through each one. This left column has 2 sections. The first one is My Student Information, and the second one is Web Links. Where it says My Student Information, that exactly is your student information. I'm a graduate of Cambridge College, so if I click this, it's going to show me my account balances. Now, this is generating a real-time report. Of course, I don't have anything due because I graduated in the 90s, but if I did have something due, that's where it would be. Now, you can do the same thing, and it's real-time, like I said, so that's exactly going to be your account balances. Similarly, you can look up your course and fee statements. The web links are all things that anyone, these are links for everyone. These 2 things on top here, My Student, that's your personalized information. Now, let's go to the middle column. This is the similar thing. These documents here, these are personalized to you. Financial aid awards and document tracking. The announcement page is announcements for everyone. And here on this day, they're telling students that the FAFSA for 2019 and 2020 is available. And then on the right-hand column is the financial aid documents. And these are documents that everyone needs. Some of them, they're for taxes and different purposes. Different types of documents if you're an international student or all different reasons. And you can scroll down and take a look at those. If you have questions about the financial aid or the bursar's office, their links to their information, their contact information are right here on these 2 links right there. Okay, thank you for taking a look at the finance page on MyCC.